Step into the Kia 2019 Sedona EX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 276 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.